hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share my secrets to making Christmas decorations from the dollar store look really expensive.
Without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling.
I'm going to start by making over my front door. Everything's from the dollar store. These tired mums have to go. I really want Christmas urns, but they are $90 at my local store. So I'm going to show you how you can make them for a fraction of the price. So you want to start with an empty pot of dirt. I just removed the summer flowers. It's a lot cheaper than getting floral foam, and I like to add a dollar store lantern to mine. I just glued it on the bottom of a margarine container to give it some height, and I swoosh it down in the dirt. If your dollar store doesn't have lanterns, you can get these adorable picks from the Dollar Tree that I think will look just as cute. Now comes the fun part. We're filling it with greenery. You can find greenery clippings, tree clippings from big box stores, hardware stores, even your local grocery store, or better yet, go out in nature and cut your own. Now you just want to decorate. I love using these colorful picks from the Dollar Tree, but you can also just glue on pine cones onto skewers or Christmas ornaments you already have and add them to your urn. I think this looks gorgeous, expensive, and you can make it for just a few dollars. I love the look of a layered front door mat, but they're expensive and they get walked on. So I'm gonna make one for under $3. These mats are from the Dollar Tree. I'm actually gonna tape 2 of them together with duct tape and just cut off this fringe so it doesn't get filthy, and add a little bit of duct tape to add structure to the bottom of this mat. On top, I'm gonna add this Dollar Tree mat. Actually cut out a stencil on my Cricut and painted on top this cute little Christmas saying. How adorable is this mat? I've sprayed it with a clear lacquer so it's gonna stand up to the harsh winter, and I just love the way that this looks. Again, for $3, you can't go wrong. I'm gonna finish this off with a $15 wreath that easily could go for $50 or more. And the secret to making a dollar store wreath look really expensive is using these Dollar Tree picks, the ones that have a different greenery. So we have some frocked ones. I'm adding in some mistletoe from the Dollar Tree. And of course, my favorite are these red apple picks. Altogether, this was $15 to make, and I think it looks fantastic. Now that the front door looks really festive, come on inside. We have some more dollar store Christmas makeovers. I love using garland to decorate for Christmas, but it can be really expensive. The secret to making dollar store garland look high-end is layering it with different types of greenery. So I start with the base just to add the fullness of the Dollar Tree garland, just a couple of strands and lights. Then I add in these Dollar Tree picks, and immediately layering this in makes it look more expensive. Expensive garland has lots of different types of greenery. So that is definitely the secret to making yours look expensive too. I got this really spindly garland from the dollar store. On its own, it doesn't look good, but laying it over top of the Dollar Tree garland, just again, it's gonna definitely make it look more high-end because you're adding all those different types of greens. These picks are my favorite though. Sticking these in just to add, make it look more expensive. I could stop there, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna add some of the teal balls that I usually put on my tree just to add. I love the combination of red and teal. Am I crazy? Let me know in the comments below what you think about color combinations that aren't traditional for Christmas. Once I stick everything in, I don't glue anything down. I just shove it in so I can change up the decor and reuse this year after year. Now I'm gonna share my secret for making a table that looks super bougie on a budget. I like using a tray for my centerpiece just so I can take it off the table for practicality when it's dinner time. You don't have to do this at all, but I definitely recommend it if you want a centerpiece that is removable. So I start with this Dollar Tree berry wreath that's pretty ugly. I know it's ugly, but listen, just bear with me. Put that in the center and a Dollar Tree hurricane vase with a candle inside, and then 2 berry sprigs from the dollar store on either side. You can stop there and make a $5 wreath, or you can keep going and add pine cones or other little sprigs from the Dollar Tree to really bulk up your wreath. I don't glue anything down because I want to change it up and use this year after year. Again, that's why it's nice having it on a tray. Now let's take the table to the next level. To really dress up your table, I like using the dollar store charges. They come in so many different colors, and then layering the plate. This year I'm going with a red and teal. These are actually from the Dollar Tree too. And then add your favorite cloth napkin. Paper towels folded works too. Like, we don't have to be fancy. And then this is a little clip from the Dollar Tree. You can add the person's name if you want to get really fancy. Just set on top for a sweet little table setting.
And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what colors you like to decorate your home for the holidays, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm feeling a lot of shame right now because my Harry Potter closet was tidy. It is now not tidy. It is a mess. And taking down all the fall decor, I realized I have 4 huge bins just for fall decorations and 7 huge bins for Christmas decor. I found 2 for Easter. Who has 2 bins for Easter? I have 1 just for Valentine's Day. Also some for spring and a summer tote just for decorations for 1 room in my house. I have a problem, okay? I have a problem. I need to purge, but for some reason it's so hard. This is like the one thing I really struggle with it's like dollar store decor. It's all from the dollar store. Why am I attached to it? I have no idea, but I really struggle. This is my goal for 2022. I said I was gonna give up shopping at the dollar store, but now I also have to give up the stuff I've collected and just embrace a more minimal decor scheme, I guess. I have to embrace less. Even though I love it, I have way too much and it's overwhelming. Let me know in the comments below if you have something that you also have a hard time letting go of. Anything else, I have no problem decluttering. Dollar store decorations, it's really hard. I have no idea why. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.